Sustainability is becoming more than just a trend. It's a way of life, especially in forward-thinking communities like Celebration, Florida. Known for its beautiful homes, manicured streets, and commitment to quality living, Celebration is a place where residents care deeply about comfort and the environment. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to make your home greener is through eco-friendly door installation. Whether you're renovating your entryway or upgrading your patio doors, choosing sustainable materials and professional installation helps you reduce energy waste, lower utility bills, and create a healthier living environment, all while maintaining the timeless beauty that Celebration homes are known for. The importance of eco-friendly doors play a bigger role in home energy efficiency than many realize. A poorly insulated or ill-fitted door can cause air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Over time, that extra energy use increases both your carbon footprint and your monthly bills. Eco-friendly door installation focuses on sustainable materials that reduce environmental impact, energy-efficient construction to maintain stable indoor temperatures, proper installation techniques that ensure long-lasting performance. By making a thoughtful door upgrade, Celebration homeowners can enhance comfort while contributing to a greener community. Sustainable door materials for Celebration homes. When it comes to eco-friendly living, the right materials make all the difference. Here are some of the best sustainable door options for Florida's warm, humid climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are a favorite among environmentally conscious homeowners. They mimic the appearance of natural wood but are made from recyclable materials and require little maintenance. Their high insulation value helps keep homes cool during Celebration's hot summers, reducing energy waste. Reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood. For those who love the natural warmth of wood, reclaimed wood doors offer a stunning and sustainable alternative. Using salvaged materials minimizes deforestation while giving new life to older resources. Professionally sealed and finished, reclaimed wood doors can withstand humidity and maintain their beauty for decades. Steel doors with insulated cores. Steel doors are durable, recyclable, and often filled with energy-efficient foam insulation. They're ideal for homeowners seeking strength, security, and sustainability in one. The reflective finish of steel also helps deflect Florida's heat, keeping interiors cooler. Composite doors. Made from a combination of recycled wood fibers and resins, composite doors are long-lasting and eco-friendly. They resist warping, cracking, and rotting, perfect for Celebration's tropical conditions, while providing excellent insulation to maintain indoor comfort. The role of professional installation in energy efficiency. Even the most efficient door won't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure the frame, weather stripping, and seals are perfectly aligned to eliminate gaps that let in heat or humidity. Here's how expert installation enhances sustainability. Airtight sealing prevents air leaks and energy loss. Proper insulation reduces the strain on your cooling system. Durability and longevity minimize the need for replacements, reducing waste. When you hire trained professionals in Celebration, you're not just upgrading your door, you're investing in long-term environmental and financial savings. Added eco-friendly features for Celebration homes to make your door installation even more sustainable. Consider adding low VOC, volatile organic compound finishes. These paints and stains release fewer chemicals into the air, promoting healthier indoor air quality. Recycled hardware. Choose knobs, handles, and hinges made from recycled metals for a stylish, earth-friendly touch. Glass inserts with low E coatings. Energy-efficient glass reduces heat transfer while allowing natural light to brighten your home, cutting down on electricity use. These small details go a long way toward achieving an eco-friendly, energy-conscious home. The benefits of going green. Choosing eco-friendly door installation in Celebration offers more than just environmental rewards. It improves your daily life in several ways. Lower energy bills from reduced heat gain and loss. Improved indoor comfort with better temperature regulation. A healthier home environment through toxin-free materials. Long-term durability that saves money and resources. Boosted property value, as energy-efficient homes are highly sought after in the market. By choosing sustainable solutions, Celebration homeowners make a meaningful impact, both locally and globally, without sacrificing elegance or performance. Final thoughts: living sustainably in Celebration, Florida means making smart, stylish choices that align with the community's values of comfort, innovation, and beauty. Eco-friendly door installation is a simple yet powerful way to make your home greener, more efficient, and more resilient against the elements. From reclaimed wood to high-performance fiberglass, the right door, installed by professionals, can protect your home, lower your energy costs, and help build a more sustainable future for everyone in Celebration. Because in a community as vibrant as Celebration, a greener lifestyle begins right at your front door.